Hi, good evening. My name is 𝐂𝐡𝐨𝐫 Mohammed Jafar. I am in the class for the Mechanical Engineering HID Level 5. I'm grateful to join ASTI Academy since it has developed my skills. The plus point for the ASTI, it is fit with my work schedule as I have opportunity to balance my work time and the college itself. It's really, thanks so much for the ASTI Academy management for making it easy to us. A special thanks for Mr. Samir for his support, for his patience during our class, during the projects. We are really specialist to talk about him for his support. And also I would like to thank my general manager, Mr. Ashraf Saleh, for his support to make it happen. I'm so excited for the graduation ceremony for today. Thank you so much.